Hey guys, this is Jamie. I want to do a video today that I'm really excited about. I have a subwoofer in front of me. It's manufactured by DS18. This subwoofer does not get enough credit. When it comes to performance and value, I don't think it gets much better than this subwoofer. This particular model is an Elite Z10. It is a 750 watt RMS subwoofer, 1500 watts max. Let's open it up and see what we got inside. It comes with a sticker and the owner's manual and a spec sheet. If you're building a custom box, it gives you the information you need to do so. One thing about this woofer is first the looks of it. You got a carbon fiber dust cap, a really nice textured cone, a high rolled surround. It really looks like a nice quality woofer. On top of that, you go to the back. You got really nice, easy push terminal connections, woven tensile leads. We recently put this in a Jeep build that we did. We did 2 10s and a ported box, and we were overly impressed. With a subwoofer that retails for considerably under $200, this is one of my favorite deals. Make sure to watch the end of this video showcasing our newest build using these subwoofers, and we'll see you next time.
From the back, from the back, from the back, from the back.